cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking? If y'all could hear me loud and clear, somebody put a one in the chat. If you can hear me loud and clear, somebody put a one in the chat. If you pulling up on YouTube, you pulling up on IG, pull up on YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? JRT. JRT up in here first. I see you. What's happening? What's happening, family? What's happening? What's good? 100. 100. Appreciate you for pulling up. Shout out. Somebody shout out Red in this chat. Somebody shout out Red in this chat. If y'all don't know why I'm saying shout out Red in this chat, let's go there together. Let me clear my throat. Hold on. I got to go over here. I done figured out how to do it now, y'all. I done figured out how to share it. And y'all can hear the sound. Share screen, Chrome tab, new tab is what I want to share. Boom. That's what I want to share. Okay, now that I got it shared, I'm going to come here in case y'all forgot. You feel me? Let's go to my, in case, not that one. Hold on.
You feel me?
So y'all can hear. I told you. Right here, listen to what it says.
You feel me?
4021.
You see what it say?
Tomorrow. Speaking to existence. Oh, I fit. Oh, Red say 4021. I mean, 4120 tomorrow. Who is that?
Go.
Red.
Let's go.
Who is that? Red. Man, y'all put some respect on Red name, man. put some respect on Red name, man. You feel me? Red said 4120 tomorrow. Book it. And where did we close the date? What was it like? 41? What was it? Where did we close the date? Let me get I got to get my charts up right now. Where my I closed Ninja Trader? Did I close Ninja Trader? I got too much going on right now. Y'all hold on 1 second. I got a whole bunch of stuff still open up. Let me get this stuff out my way. Yeah, say that. Get out of there. Close that. Yeah, say that. No, I didn't close Ninja Trader. There you go. I thought I ain't closed Ninja Trader. I'm like, man, why I can't see my Ninja Trader? I thought I ain't closed it. Boom. I told y'all it was about to happen. Y'all ain't listen to me. Now you see it popping off. Got you in the club, dancing your off. Break it down for me. Who knows something about North Carolina? Who knows something about North Carolina? Y'all don't know nothing about North Carolina, man. Stop playing with Petey Pablo. Break it down for me. Shout out to cousin that said, Tim, if you move that chart trader, we'll be able to see the whole chart. So I'm gonna move the chart trader just for you. I'm doing it just for you, cousin Pete. I'm doing it just for you. So weekly wrap up, man. We gonna get right into it. Y'all know what to do. How was your week? Put it in the chat. Put it for everybody on the replay. Smash the like button. Before I get into it this time, I usually ask you at the end. Smash the like button right now. Get them likes up. Share it with a cousin that might learn something or get something out of this, gain some value. Hey, I appreciate everybody that was on the live this morning. Went live this morning and just broke down my thoughts of like where we at. I just broke down my thoughts of where we at. I felt like that would be more useful than let me go full screen and say this. I felt like that would be more useful than just sitting here saying, hey, I think this is what it's gonna do today. I think this is where it's gonna go. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful week. You know what I'm saying? I got some pieces of paper in the mail. Start with a B, end with an L. It's an I and an L in the middle. Y'all know what that is? A bill. I got some bills in the mail, some doctor's bills. Y'all know how them doctor bills be smacking y'all up, you feel me? So, what I did, hey, I try to let the stock market pay for everything, you feel me? So, I was pretty much flat on the week. I had already told y'all I was flat on the week. So today, man, remember when I told y'all yesterday I closed out one of my positions that I had got into early, and I took a small loss on it because it didn't hit my target at the end of the day, started pulling back. If I, like every other time I've held them positions to the last day, they go to zero on me. Man, why I can't I closed it out yesterday for a small loss. Man, that position today hit 95%. Hit 95. Now, mind you, now I got it last week. I got in early. I told y'all know I was bullish early. It almost hit 100%. No. I'm lying. It went over 100%. It almost hit 200%. It hit 190%. And I got it last week. The one time I said, man, I'm tired of holding these to zero. I'm gonna save a little bit of money on this one here. 190%. But you live and you learn. But anyway, I closed out. I ain't got nothing open right now except for my QQQ 2023, June 2023, my SPY January 2023, and my SPY January 2024. Them the only thing I got open right now. All of my July 2022s, I closed them out today because I got some doctor bills. The matter of fact, I texted cousin Zay today. Zay was like, man, this thing's still going crazy. I said, what? I was in there watching Stranger Things. I look back here, man, I saw them candles. Let me show you what I saw when I look back here, man. Y'all already seen the chart. I seen that thing ripping and running, just like this right here. I saw it ripping and running. This what time I saw it. Mind you, now we open here. This what time I saw it right here. When I saw it right here, when Jay hit me up, I think it was like about 12:30, 1 o'clock. We was in this little consolidation right here. I said, man, I came back here. I locked in profit on my July 2022s. You know what I'm saying? I locked in enough profit to pay for my the medical bills that we had got. I locked in enough profit to pay for my taxes for this quarter. And then I what else? Oh, just some money that I got to transfer to my other account. Remember them positions I told y'all they went to zero, but I had made up the money for it. So I had to I might transfer it out and put that over into that account. So I locked in enough profit to cover all that, and then I say I'm just gonna let that booger run. And then I went to my little lunch meeting. And while I was at the meeting, I looked at my thing. I said, oh, excuse me, 1 minute. I got to get out this position. Man, I went and looked at that thing. That thing hadn't took off again. I said, Charlie, I'm glad I just locked in that profit and let that thing run. Now, if I'd have cashed in back here, man, I'd have been so mad. Oh, I'd have been mad. So I let that thing, I'm glad I let it run, man. But overall, my week was a good week. I was I put on one position this week. Every other position that I closed was from when I put them on last week, when I told y'all I was early to the party. I was a week early to the party, you feel me? The bullish party. I was a week early. I'm the only bull that showed up, and a whole bunch of bears and a contrarians was looking at me like, hey, who is this guy? So I put on one position this week, but I closed 1, 2, 3, 4. Was it 4 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I closed 4 positions, so I was 3 for 4. I was 3 for 4 this week on positions, because the one that I took the small loss on, and then 2 other no 1, 2 break even, 1 loss, 1 2, 5. It was 5 positions. So 1, 2 broke even, 1 small loss, and then 2 that made. So actually the break evens, if you don't count them, Cause it just broke even. It was just a small profit. So I count them. Small profit, nothing to write home about, pretty much break even, small loss, and then 2 wins. And you know what I'm saying? So based off them 2 wins, that was the stuff that I had to do, like I was paying the medical bills from my sweetie had a procedure a couple months ago. I took out the money for the taxes for this quarter. And then took out the money to put back in that other account where I let them positions go to zero, but I played the other positions to make the money back. So that's how my week went, man. Overall, it was good. Things I did bad. I didn't trust the process on one of my trades the other day. I felt like I had to sit here and babysit it. I moved my stop to break even, and I got stopped out when the FOMC minutes came out, and the position ripped to the north side just like I thought. If I would have left my stop where it's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying, I could have got that thing went to the moon today. It went to the freaking moon because I got it for I got a $3.95 call with the intentions of holding it all week. Y'all remember when I said that? I got a $3.95 call. This gonna be my home run to make up for some of these positions that might lose. You know what I'm saying? I didn't trust the process. That's what I did wrong. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing I did wrong this week. But thankfully, my thesis was solid. Thankfully, I got into the positions at some good prices, and I was able to get all like the Junes, the May 27th, the middle of June's, and the July 15th. All those that I was closed. No, I closed out the May 27th and the Julys and the Junes. Yeah. I closed all of them out. But like the Junes and the May 27th and all of them was break even. Only one that wasn't break even was the Julys. But I just want to get out them because I got into the positions early. I got to the party early, and I was like, look, I'm not going to try to be greedy. I'm just trying to get out of these positions at break even. I'm trying to get out. And so I set my targets for break even. And when they hit them, I let them hit them. You know what I'm saying? I didn't try to run back and adjust it and get more money. I just stuck to the plan. That was my week. How was y'all week? I'm gonna get into the price action in a minute. What it is? We need some kind of medicine. To prevent it. Oh, what we prevent? Let me go back. That's when everybody shouting out red. Okay, nice call. Yup, that was a nice call. Them 4150s went from 55 cents to $9.80 in the last 6 minutes on the SPX. I sold 7 contracts at 4 from 8. Okay then. That's what's up. Went from 8 cents to $4. Golly. All right, y'all clap it up for Red again, man. Red out here showing out this week, man. Red out here, green and great, 4078. Raven with the bars. Who talk about monkeypox? What y'all talk about some monkeypox, man? Every time that happens to me, Tim, what that is? Y'all know I be catching the chat later. I don't know what you're talking about now. Well, at least I'm not alone. Yup. My life story. Probably talk about when I did something wrong. Same here. We need some kind of medicine to prevent. Congrats. More patience. Who that? More patience for me or more patience for you? I need more patience. I know I need more patience. Made up for my losses early in the week, so I finished solid for the week. That's what's up, Red. Red, I appreciate you for breaking this all down in different little post too, because I wasn't gonna read no dissertation. You already know I skip it. Red with the crystal ball. Red, your last name ain't Panda, is it? Let me stop, man. That Draco in the building. What's up, Draco? Hey man, y'all put how y'all week went in the chat, man. I'm about to get into the price action for today. I ain't even gonna hold you. I didn't even look at the price action today, so we seeing this for the first time together. You know what I'm saying? So, earlier today, I was talking about the buy side liquidity at 40.95. I was saying that's, you know what I'm saying, that was my target, the buy side liquidity at 40.95. I ain't gonna hold you. I did not expect us to get these 5-6 highs. You know what I'm saying? I put them you can ask Zay. You can ask the cousin Zay. Man, I text Zay. I said, Zay, the way this thing moving, it looked like it want them 5-6 highs at 41.53. You know what I'm saying? He hit me back here like, cuz we got to get past 41.30 first. I said, man, that thing act like it want it. You know what I'm saying? It act like it want it. You feel me? And then shout out Red again. Red said 41.20. We start consolidating right on top of 41.20. We consolidated right on top of 41.20 from like 11:45 candle up until the 14:15 candle. So from 11:45 to 2:15, we consolidated right on top of 11:20. 11:20 held up like a big dog. Shout out Red one more time. Once that thing soaked up enough juice at that 11 at that 41.20 level, that thing shot to the moon, took off. But early morning, we just consolidated. We dilly-dally from yesterday close all the way up until 8:30. You know what I'm saying? We dilly-dally from yesterday close all the way up until 8:30. So it's like we had a small little pop at 6 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Hit those highs. We went above yesterday's highs at 6 o'clock. Came back down, made equal lows right here. I ain't even gonna hold you. I was watching them equal lows. I was like, we may come down and dip below 12 o'clock because they had them equal lows there. That's what I was thinking in my head. I didn't think it was gonna be this bullish. If y'all see this thing with all gas going up, let's go into this little level right up in here and see it. That looked like it may have had an entry, but the entry again, remember yesterday, the entry came in right at the open. The entry candle was right at the open, and it looked like it did the same thing again because we opened at 40.8150, right? So I'm gonna drop down to a 5-minute and look at the New York Open. Yep, the entry was the open. It wasn't even the opening count. Yeah, you got a fair value gap right here. So the entry was the opening candle. You could have got it. No, that's the opening candle right there, the 935. So when it opened up, it wicked down for a second and it took off. You know what I'm saying? It took off and it went and got that. It went and got that liquidity because you came up, you broke the structure right over here, right? Can y'all see the wicks? Let me fix the wicks. Let me fix the wicks real quick. 2. All right, so we dilly-dally, we came up, we broke the structure here above yesterday's highs. We broke up, we blast off, went above yesterday's highs and broke this structure right here, right? Because we went above the highs at 6 and then right before 6 at the 6 o'clock counter, then came back below them and then bounced off of, what's the name, this potential order block right here, bounced off of that, came back up above the highs, broke structure, left a fair value gap here, left a fair value gap there, traded back down into the top fair value gap, stopping at this potential order block right here, right? Personally, I wouldn't even got picked up here because that's the opening candle. I don't trade. That's within the first 5 minutes. It came down, you know what I'm saying? It opened, matter of fact, it opened in the fair value gap. It opened in the fair value gap, dipped down a little bit, and then took off. I ain't gonna hold you. I wouldn't have got picked up right there. Let's go up to, let's drop lower in this area right here, this down close candle right here, 945. Let's see if it gave us any kind of potential entry around that 945, after that 945 candle. That's a clean pickup. You could have got a clean pickup, played that off of this liquidity. Because remember when I was saying once we go into the liquidity, once we go into a fair value gap, once we go into an order block, a lot of times we trade back down to it, that area acts as support. You know what I'm saying? This the buy side liquidity that I was looking to take. Boom. We went up, took that buy side liquidity, came back down to the fair value gap right there, then took off. So notice right here, this the kind of stuff when the price be moving fast, when the price be moving real fast, sometimes you got to look for entries like this right here. I'm gonna show you how sometimes I look for entries when the price be moving like really, really fast, if it's really bullish or if it's really bearish, right? You should, instead of looking at this whole price run, like this price run started here and it went all the way up to here, right? Instead of looking at this whole price run like this right here and trying to wait for it to come back down to this fair value gap to get a discount, what I'll do sometime when the price be moving super fast, if it pauses like this right here, even though this is not a red candle, you see how we went up and then we sold back down into this gap right here. Even if we didn't go back into this gap, but see how we sold back down and took off again. A lot of times I'll just look at that leg of the price run and try to get an entry. You see what I'm saying? I just look at the second leg of this whole price run. Remember when I was talking about like this morning on the live, if y'all was on the live, remember how I was saying from the run, from way back when, we had like this section, this section, this section, and I was like, this bottom section, we done with it. That's already bullish. We from the run through that buy side liquidity there, and if we get to the next section, this is the halfway point. If we get to the next section, ain't worried about that, because that one is so close to the top halfway point. You see what I'm saying? So that's the same thing on these lower fractals, as ICT like to call them, right? Instead of looking at this whole price leg, since we had like a pause right there in the middle, sometimes I just take it from that second price leg. And if you look right there, when it came back down on this pullback, it went into a discount into this fair value gap on that second piece of the price leg. So that was a clean pickup right there. But a lot of times, if the price be moving super bullish or super bearish, a lot of times you got to drop to them lower time frames and look for when it paused and try to catch that, especially early in the morning. Like like between 9:30 and 10:30, you know what I'm saying? That price, a lot of times that price won't stop for you. So you have to drop to them lower time frames and see if you can catch that pause, especially on trend days. Like we done had 2 trend days back to back. You know what I'm saying? This is another trend day. We had a trend day yesterday. You know what I'm saying? We had a trend day yesterday. We had a trend day. See, yesterday was a trend day. Boom. Straight up. Today was a trend day. Boom. Straight up. Look at today. Today look crazy. From 8:30 up into close. That look crazy. And then yesterday from 8:30 up until close. Wherever close is over here. Right there. Crazy. 2 trend days back to back. And then I ain't even look at nothing in the afternoon. I was, like I say, I was at a lunch meeting. I ain't even gonna bother going into it, cause we see what the day was. We see it was a good week, man. I ain't gonna hold up a whole lot of time. You know what I'm saying? This the weekly wrap up. It's all about what we did good, what we did bad. Let's look at the chart again to see where we at. Let's see where we at. Where we bust them highs open. I'm telling you, man. I think we gunning for this right here. Now, mind you, if they want to come in and hit us with the 52 fake out, remember, we just made a breaking structure on the daily. And we did it primarily in 2 days. These other days right here, look at this week. Let me put this weekly candle on here. Look at this. You see that weekly candle right there? That is a mean weekly candle. That is a bullish candle. We opened at 39.08 and we closed at what that is, 41.56. Let me check that. We closed at 41. Get out of the way. We closed at 41.55.75. We opened up the week at 39.09.50 and closed the week at 41.55.75. That's a bullish week. So looking at the from the run down that we was talking about from March, going from there, from the full rundown. Look how close we are to equilibrium for the full rundown. You see what I'm saying? Look how close we are to equilibrium for the full rundown. Remember this morning when I was talking about once we get past there, it's gonna be, we're gonna go into a discount for selling. Right? We going into a discount for selling. That don't mean they gonna start selling, but you got to keep in mind, people that's bearish, you know what I'm saying? And people that went long down here, we going, once we break, what is this right here? Let me put a little let me put a cheese and rice. Hold on, I'm trying to grab this. There you go. All right. I didn't want that. Oh, yes, I did. I did want that. Okay, so this right here. I got two different prices on now. Just gonna go with 25. Okay, so the 50%, y'all bear with me. Okay, so right now, that's the 50%. Hide this. I'm gonna hide all this other stuff. Oh, I need that line. Y'all hold on, man. I'm getting this stuff out the way. Taking this stuff out the way so it don't be confusing me when I'm trying to. Y'all bear with me. Okay. All right, so that's equilibrium on the whole drop, right? Look how close we are to equilibrium on the whole drop, right? Drop down to the daily so we can see the breaks. We can see the break. These are the breaks. Remember the morning I said on this price leg down here from the overall drop, back here. Yep, because I went back to March. So this, let me double check and make sure I ain't tripping. Make sure I went to the same one. And I did. Okay. I went to the same one. Remember this morning I was saying for this price leg down here, we done with that. We about to run those equal highs right there where I got the green line. We gonna run that. And then I was like, you know, I would love to see us get up here and, you know what I'm saying, be challenging these areas right there. I did not expect to bust slap through those right there. So then I was like, this next price leg up right here, right? I was like, equilibrium for that. I'm pointing at the screen like y'all can see me. Equilibrium for that was around here, right? And I was like, once we get above that, we in a discount for selling from this price leg. Man, we done went slap up to, we went up to a discount. We in a discount for this price leg. The one where I was talking about, I wasn't even really worried about it, because if we get up that high, I believe we would be pushing toward trying to get into a discount for that price leg right there. You see what I'm saying? So we real close, and it ain't no real reason for us to just stop right here looking at the daily candle. You know what I'm saying? We got a daily high right here that we could be pushing toward, but that ain't no real spot to be stopping. You see what I'm saying? I see the real spot for us stopping is right up here at these equal highs that we was talking about around 4,300. That's what I see like the real target to be reversing is, and that'll put us into a discount for selling. And once we get up here into this discount for selling, right? Once we get up here into that discount up there for selling, once we get above that, then I can see us pulling back down. You know what I'm saying? Because once we get above that, we'll be into this gap right here. You know what I'm saying? Get into the gap by that far, maybe sell down, even get all the way up and close the gap, and then maybe sell down. But we got some gap work right here. We got a fair value gap right there. You know what I'm saying? That we would need to come back and get. If we do push all the way up to there, You know what I'm saying? We got the potential to leave another fair value gap up in here. So that'll be 2 fair value gaps we'll have to come back and get if we do that right there. But I ain't gonna sit there and be talking a whole lot of if, because if was a fifth, we'd all be drunk. But I just want to see where we was at, and we real close to the overall equilibrium from when we started dropping back on March 29th. When we started dropping, we real close to equilibrium in that, and equilibrium for that whole drop is 42.20.25, 42.20, close enough for government work. That's pretty much what I got for the price action and what I see. What y'all got in the chat, man? Y'all got anything in the chat? Y'all got it in the chat? Let me go back. Well, we don't want no smoke. Great finish to the week. That's what's up, Curtis. Great finish to the week. On the 1 hour, 4 hour daily is the ICT model. What ICT model, Victor? You got to help me out. You got to help me out. ICT got a bunch of models. What ICT model you talk about? Red, we know that, Red. Stop talking about what you did now. We on something else. Man, why y'all be having me out here looking like this right here, man? Y'all need to tell me to sit up. Be like, sit up, Tim. We can't even see your face. We just see your thin hair on the top. The entry was 38.10. Okay. We got 38.10. Yeah, the market went crazy. I'm over here like Trey and Bad and Boys in the Hood. What you fighting? You fight? You out here? Come on, bring it! All of you, bring it on! I text my trading partner Devin when we went 38.55. I was getting the 41s for the end of May, and Lord, that thing got busy, but I didn't follow up on it. Hold on. What you mean you ain't follow up on it? Meaning you ain't get it? You didn't follow up on it, mean that's what you mean? You didn't get it? 2 back-to-back. Uh-oh. What happened? The chat jumped. Where did it go? I saw something said 2 back-to-back. Where did it go? Oh, 2 back-to-back. May need a pullback. May need a pullback. Yeah. Pullback always good. It's always, I don't like going too far down too fast or go up too fast. It was a 5-week. Say 43. Ain't no D in the Rogers. Say 4,300. We're 4,300. What's crazy is we still be in the bearish market at 4,300. We done came a long way down. Yeah, we did come a long way down. We did 4,300. 4,300 is those equal highs, pretty much close enough for government work. That's 4,300 right there. Them the equal highs. 4,300 is the equal highs, and 4,300 to put it back into this fair value gap right here, right above 4,300. That's gonna put us in a nice discount market for the sellers. For anybody looking to go short, still, this 4,300 gonna put us right there above the discount and running highs to get all, because equal high. Here we go with the screen. Equal highs, right? 4,300 right here at those equal highs. So it's liquidity sitting right here, right? So coming from down here up to them equal highs, right? That's a good return for anybody that went long down here. Now you go up there, go long, get this liquidity, and then suck back down and keep going lower. If that's what they want to do, they could do it like that. That could be a scenario. Or you can go up here, get this liquidity, shoot back down, and take care of all this gap work down here. Especially if we leave another gap over here. Starting next week, if we open up next week and leave another daily fair value gap over here somewhere, because we closed up here. If we open up where we closed and don't go down and fill this gap and just keep going up, that'll be 1, 2 fair value gaps down here that we need to come back and get. You know what I'm saying? Is this the bottom? The way we consolidated down here and took off, is this the bottom? Are we turning around? You know what I'm saying? I would take it. But if we turn it around, now guess what we got to do? We got to go up here, run this liquidity, and come down here and make a higher low. and then go back up and make a higher high. Right there. See what I'm saying? We got to come up here, bust through this right here. Higher high. Come down, make a higher low. Come back up, make a higher high. Come back down, make a higher low. If this is the bottom, we got to start making higher highs and higher lows. But if we're going to come down and make a higher low, we got to at least come down here and fill this gap. You feel me? That's just how price action work. That's what I see. I appreciate y'all saying screen. Solid breakdown. Appreciate you. Appreciate you for that. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's all I got. I'm gonna drop the link in the chat if anybody want to pull up, share anything, say anything. It should be a whole lot of people wanting to talk, because ain't nobody besides Red and like maybe one other person share how they week went. The link is in the chat if anybody want to pull up. While we talk about the link, I want y'all to go to www.thenewtlr.com, right? www.thenewtlr.com. Oh, we didn't even look at Spylene. It's all great. It's the same thing. Spylene, ES, it's all. Hey, they changed this. They changed that. Yeah, Spylene, ES, it's all the same. You know what I'm saying? The charts look the same. Get back up here to 429. That 429 we've been talking about. 429, 430. That's the same thing as 4300 on the ES. We get back up there, then we can come back down and take care of these gaps. We got a fair value gap right there that we already left. If we keep going up, we got the potential to leave another. We got a full daily gap right here at this old fair value gap. It's a full daily gap right there. So we got to come down and take care of this. You know what I'm saying? So we come up here, get into this gap, come back down, make a higher low. Same thing on the SPY as on the ES. I really feel like the market is ready to start trying to recover. I really think they understand everything about inflation. COVID don't exist no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm making a joke about it, but when the last time you heard them talking about that? All they talk about is inflation, interest rates, and the war. That's all they be talking about. So it's like they ain't worrying about no monkeypox. They ain't worrying about no COVID. They ain't worrying about nothing. Okay, while y'all go to www.thenewtlr.com, 9 letters, the THE new NEWTLR.com, right? Go there and shop, get your merch. If y'all want to support your boy, go get your shirts. You know what I'm saying? Got all different ones. Go to the site, pick out what you want. I don't never click shop all takes it to it and it's all retarded looking. I don't like that. Go to catalog, go to either men's, women's, hoodies, water bottle, cell phone cases that take you to the stuff more direct. If you hit this shop all button, it just gobbles everything on there. It ain't in no rhyme or reason, no kind of order. I hate how they do that. You know what I'm saying? So I always just go to catalog, go to men's, go to, you know what I'm saying, have all the different men's shirts, go to catalog. If you want a water bottle, it costs like $900 to ship this water bottle, but you get a water bottle. We got the bull versus, I'm not a bull or a bear, I'm a beast water bottles. You know what I'm saying? We got the Spider Gang water bottles, you know what I'm saying, without the web. And then we got the Spider Gang water bottles with the web. You feel me? Like if you want the one with the web, laying down next to some lemon lime slices, you want the one with the web, you feel me? It costs $1 million to ship that water bottle though. Oh, and I forgot, we got the anime water bottle too, Bull versus Bear. You know what I'm saying? Got that one too. Y'all go in there, support your boy. If that's how you can support me, because I ain't gonna never charge you for this information. ShopWealthWalks.com. Go support my daughter, Alexandria Cartwright. Go pick up your Wealth Walks t-shirts. Right now, she just got t-shirts up there. Oh no, she got sweatshirts up there too. Sweatshirts and t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? ShopWealthWalks.com. Sold out. She only got like 2 of them for the t-shirts. I mean, for the sweatshirts, right? Support my daughter. Shout out Draco. Is Draco in the building today? ProlificProsperity.com. Go to ProlificProsperity.com. Y'all know what Draco do. I say it all the time. You know what I'm saying? She can help you with all aspects of finances, estate planning, budgeting, investing, how to get your money, see, build your wealth, savings, you know what I'm saying, optimize productivity, utilize proven strategies. She say she can help. What do you need help with the most to move forward? Just click one of the boxes and learn more about how I can change your life. Yeah, and then she doing a combine mindset shift on June the 4th at 11 a.m. Who else? Who else got a what's the name? IG. I'm gonna go to IG. Shout out my Instagram. Shout out my homeboy the real Travis Scott. Scott Creations. Y'all go to Scott Creations. Holla at my boy, the real Travis Scott. See these little menus for the week? He got the menus for the week, breaking down how to make this fancy schmancy stuff. And then he be doing them reels, showing you how to cook this stuff. This man is a culinary. Man, what the reels at when you cooking the food, man? I want the reels when you cooking the food. Oh, is it on the videos? I want the ones where you be, oh, there you go. See, when he be cooking the food. He be doing it on TikTok mostly. When he be going there cooking the food. Culinary genius, man. Shout out to home of the real Travis Scott. 100. 100 he be out there selling the Frenchies. He be selling the Frenchies. What is it? Bullet_franchise. He be selling the Frenchies. 100, I thought you had the fluffies. You ain't got no fluffies on there. He be selling the Frenchies. If you need some free, he say he can get you anything you need. Oh, that's a cute little dog right there. And I don't even like dogs. For real, for real. Shout out to homeboy. Shout out to cousin 100. Oh, 100, you got some nice looking dogs. 100, you ain't stole nobody pictures and just put it out there trying to make it look. Oh, that one there, fire. Look at the fat boy. Look at the fat boy. That one there, fire. That boy, that's so raw. Oh, I done got caught up. Let me get A100. That picture was blurry right there. That picture blurry. Yeah. I think that's it, man. Hey, charge it to my head, not my heart if I ain't say your name, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. Draco, not Draco, Briscoe. What is it? What was Briscoe thing, y'all? My jammy life. My jammy life. JAMIILIFE.com. Yes, that's it. That's it. My jammy life. My jammy life. However you say it. Yeah, y'all go check that out. And don't be talking about I got too many people for you to support. Because you go to the mall and you go into 42 different stores. And you buy shoes from every store. I ain't even gonna hold you. Them some nice looking dogs. I like Fat Boy. I like the fat one. The fat one, that's fire. And then this white one right here. That white one right there, that's fire. It says it's a Jasper Child. I guess. It say Jasper Child. And I call it a Fat Boy. What is it? A Rock Lee? That's what they call it? A Rock Lee? I call them a Fat Boy. But yeah, them I like them, they fire. But anyway, I'm fun to get out of here, man. That's all I got. I appreciate y'all. Y'all enjoy your long holiday weekend, man. I hope everybody had what say? What we were talking about on the A Squad today? What y'all talk about on A Squad? What y'all talk about on A Squad? Y'all enjoy your long weekend, man. For everybody on the replay that don't know, if you're in the Columbus, Georgia area, on June 4th, July 2nd, and August 13th, I'm doing a Discipline Over Dollars seminar, teaching about how to get into the stock market, how to invest, you know what I'm saying, little financial literacy type stuff, free for the public. Pull up on your boy, 3000 Macon Road, Columbus, Georgia. I think that's it. This Sunday, the cousin TiVo pulling up and gonna share some on Tim's Tidbit Takeover. The Sunday after that, Peter up gonna pull up and share something. I'm gonna put up a poll. I might put after TiVo do his thing, I'm gonna put up a poll And y'all let me know what y'all want to hear. Pete Up come on and talk about. I was talking to him. He said he got a few ideas some stuff he gonna talk about, and he'll like, hey, put up a poll to see if they want me to talk about anything in particular. So don't be going out there trying to talk about stuff that we already talked about. If it's something that we ain't talked about, then you know what I'm saying, put it in the suggestion box. On the 19th, the week of the 19th through the 25th, I'm going on vacation. Juneteenth and Father's Day. The week of the 12th, I forgot. Let me back it up. The Big Cousin Q confirmed. The Big Cousin Q coming in on the 12th, doing the Tim's Tidbit takeover. And then AJ supposed to be getting back with me to let me know if she gonna be able to do the 29th. Right? So that's all I got. Y'all enjoy your holiday weekend, man. See y'all Sunday night. The market should be closed Monday. Oh, he said Jasper been in the gym. I'm gone, man. That's all I got. I appreciate y'all. Till the next time, y'all know what it is.